Press the Windows key or click on the Windows icon. Write CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and click on Run as Administrator. Write ipconfig space bar flushdns and press Enter. Now write netsh space winsock space reset and press Enter. Close the command prompt. Press the Windows key or click on the Windows icon and write disk clean and click on disk cleanup. Select the drive where you install your games and click on OK. Select all of the options and click on OK. Click on the Windows icon. Write Run and click on it and write Steam flushconfig and click on OK. Press the Windows key or click on the Windows icon. Write Windows Security and click on it. Click on Virus and Threat Protection. In Virus and Threat Protection Settings, click on Manage Settings. Scroll down. In Exclusions, click on Add or Remove Exclusions. Click on Add an Exclusion and choose Folder. And make sure to select the Steam folder and click on Select Folder. Right-click in an empty space in your taskbar and click on Task Manager. Right-click on Steam and click on Go to Details. Right-click on Steam X and click on Set Priority and choose Real Time and confirm. Open the Steam folder, select Steam, right-click it, click on Properties, click on Compatibility and check the option to run this program as administrator. Click on Apply, click on OK. Open Steam, click on Steam, click on Settings, click on Downloads. Scroll down. In Clear Download Cache, click on Clear Cache and confirm. Click on Storage. Choose the drive in which you have your games installed. Click on the three dots and click on Repair Library. Like and subscribe to support my work, and is there any other solution you need? Tell me in the comments.